Eniahiame so Iweminogeva. Names of some birds in Edo language, part 2. Egwe, bat. Ogon, eagle. Owonwon, toucan. Ugu, vulture. Ohwe, ra, obioko, parrot. Uhaiso, sparrow. Ekenei, canary. Orome, guinea fowl. Elihuhu, pigeon. Ukorobozo, wild fowl. Ugomugo, ostrich. Oh, ibis. Etolotolo, turkey. Okporu, cock or fowl. Iyokoho, hen. Ekpekpeye, duck. Egodin, kite. Owo, fruit bat. Erigoin, heron. Titibiti, raven or crow. Awe, pheasant. Ukpomobie, sunbird. Olokomuru, pelican. Ekpekpeyeze, swan. Erehwe, cormorant. Ukiokio, lapwing. Alume, swallow. Ekperohwe, stork. Ogbodu, spoonbill. Ekuku, cockatoo. Wala o waga wemina, nuwawele lima bugana, wahia wesi. Please share this video so others can learn and do well to subscribe. Thank you.